Hey there, fellow web enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tasks into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to uninstall WordPress from cPanel in 2025. Whether you're switching to a new CMS, freeing up space, or just starting fresh, this guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your cPanel dashboard. Open your web browser, go to your hosting provider's site, and enter your cPanel username and password. Once you're in, look for the Files section and click on File Manager. This is your gateway to managing your website's files. Now, navigate to the directory where your WordPress installation is located. It's usually in the public_HTML folder or a subfolder like WordPress. Be careful here. Double-check that you're in the right spot to avoid deleting the wrong files. Select all the files and folders related to WordPress, right-click, and choose Delete. Confirm the action, and poof, they're gone. But wait, that's not all. WordPress often comes with a database, so we need to remove that too. Head back to the cPanel homepage and find the Databases section. Click on PHPMyAdmin or MySQL Databases. Locate the database associated with your WordPress site. It might be named something like WP_database. Select it and delete it permanently. Remember, this step is crucial to free up resources and prevent any leftover data from causing issues. One more thing. Check for any additional WordPress remnants. Look in the Cron Jobs section under Advanced to see if there are any scheduled tasks related to WordPress and delete them if needed. Also, if you have custom DNS settings or subdomains linked to WordPress, update or remove those as well. Alright, you've done it. Your WordPress installation is now completely uninstalled from cPanel. Always back up your data before making changes like this, just in case. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.